Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing a wide range of oil processing equipment, including Walnut oil refining systems. Their expertise lies in creating solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of clients across various industries. Whether you're looking for small-scale or large-scale machinery, their team can provide customized options that ensure efficiency. Durability. What sets Henan Zhongrui apart is their dedication to innovation. They continuously invest in research and development to stay ahead of industry trends, ensuring their products incorporate the latest advancements in oil refining technology. This focus on cutting-edge solutions guarantees higher yields, better product quality. In addition to superior equipment, Henan Zhongrui offers comprehensive after-sales services, from installation support and operator training to ongoing maintenance and troubleshooting. They ensure your business runs smoothly without unnecessary downtime. Their technical experts are always available to address any concerns promptly. For those interested in sustainable practices, whether you're an entrepreneur starting a new venture or an established player seeking to upgrade existing facilities, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited stands as a trusted partner for all Walnut oil refining needs. With years of experience and countless satisfied clients globally,